Up Sun Raes? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing another wash and go, and I am going to be using the Curlshow Curl Creator again. Guys, y'all know that I used this already once. I used it with the Curlshow Curl and Style Milk, but I did it for my members. So if you want to see how that wash and go went, feel free to join my membership. It's only $2.99 a month, and you will get content over there that you do not get over here. But I did want to try it again for you all as well, because all of y'all are special to me. But this time I want to try it with the mousse. You guys know I love mousse gel wash and goes, so I want to try these two today. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I thought about trying it for a twist out, but since I just did a twist out with the NaturalRaeRae products, I thought that I would do the wash and go, and I can dry it quicker than trying to dry a twist out. So yeah, we can see the results right away, and if for some reason it doesn't work, then I can go in with the products for a twist out for another video. So you guys know that I always do my mousse first and I put my gel on top. So that's what I'm going to do. This mousse it has collagen and avocado oil in it. Those are the call out ingredients, and we're going to see how it pumps out. You guys know, ooh, you guys know I like, pump stuck. Okay. You guys know that I like a mousse that kind of foams like this, that's not real watery. This one is right in between. It's thinner than other foams that I like, but it's thicker than some of the waterier, bubblier foams. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply it to my hair. I don't have anything on my hair but this foam. I know. I don't have a leave-in to this line. However, I did order it, so spoiler alert, I did order the leave-in. I didn't order it for Black Friday or anything like that. I just went on and ordered it from Amazon because I do want to have the leave-in on hand, because this gel may work better with a leave-in. I tried using the Style Milk in that other video as my leave-in. Didn't quite get what I wanted out of it, so I did want to try the leave-in. So I did pick it up. So yeah, so it's coming, and we'll see if I can feel a difference. But for now, I'm just going right in with the mousse and then going on top of the mousse with the gel. And this is what my hair is looking like so far. I did use a deep conditioner, so hopefully my hair is moisturized enough and hydrated enough that it won't feel real dry. I'm not using the leave-in, so we'll see. I'm taking about 2 pumps, and I might even be able to use 1 pump. I'm not positive. We'll see. But right now I'm taking 2 pumps. I want to make sure every strand is coated. I do want to say that this mousse has a creamy feel to it, so I do like the feel of it. It does feel like it might have a little bit of moisture in it, but we'll see. And I'm going to squeeze it in. The more you work in a mousse, the more definition you get. So I do want to let you know that. For those of you who try mousse only, going in with 2 pumps of the Curl Creator. For those of you who try mousse wash and goes and you're like, it just didn't work for me or whatever, make sure that you are working the mousse in well enough, that you're working it in where you're getting the definition with the mousse first, and then you lock it in with the gel. That's what I do. Now I put my mousse on first. I don't put my gel on first. For those of you who use your gel first, I can't speak to that because I don't use my gel first. I use the mousse first because I'm using it as a barrier between my hair and the gel. Even though this gel right here is, well, it's a medium. It says it's a medium, light to medium hold. Hold on. Did it say light to medium? I know it says somewhere around medium hold, and I think it is a medium hold. So for those of you who are using like eco and harder hold gels and stuff like that, I don't put those gels on first and then put the mousse. I put the mousse on first. So and I get good wash and goes that way. I don't know if it really matters or makes much difference, but that's just what I do. That's my thinking. I want the mousse to be on my hair before the gel. And normally when I do the gel last, the gel helps the mousse to disappear. The whiteness goes away. But I'm noticing right now that this gel is not doing that. So this gel, there's still a lot of white from the mousse on my hair. So if you go back and look at some of my other videos, you'll see how the mousse disappears on my hair once I add the harder holding gel. But I'm hoping this works, and I'm hoping that it doesn't feel dry, and I'm hoping that it doesn't flake, and all of the above. So, yeah. And I'm just gonna rake until I feel like I don't need to rake anymore, till I feel like I got some pretty good definition with the mousse. And then I'm going to go in with the gel. To lock it in. And that's what I'm going to do throughout my whole head. I'm not going to talk through this. I'm just going to go ahead and do it because since I don't have a leave-in on, my hair is going to start to dry out a little bit quicker. And I want to make sure that I get this product on as quickly as possible without being distracted with my talking. Okay? So you guys can just watch.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance.
Alright guys, so I am done applying the product. It's all over. I will say that I feel like right now this gel has more hold using it with the mousse than it did when I was applying it with just that curl milk the last time. So I don't know what that means, but it just feels like today it just felt like it had a little bit more hold going on. So this is what my hair looks like. I'm just hoping it doesn't flake because it is so white. So I'm gonna go ahead and get under the dryer, and hands are a little bit sticky, so I'm gonna go wash my hands, get under the dryer, and I'll be back to talk about this combo, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am back and this is my hair. I went on and stretched it with clips for a little bit while I put on a lounge set. I wanted to put on black so you guys can see if there's any flaking, and as you can see, there's nothing on my shirt. So yeah, I just put this on, not going anywhere. As y'all know, it's snowing. So let's get into the duo. Guys, I am pleasantly surprised. I'm pleasantly surprised. So these two work well together. I did not get any flaking. I don't have any flurries. My hair, of course, like I said, I stretched it with clips, so it doesn't have a whole lot of bigness to it, but it definitely will grow bigger as the days go on. It definitely has a lot of definition, but there is no crunch. So there's no crunch at all, but I can definitely feel a little bit of a cast. And I do feel like this is a more defined wash and go than the previous one that I did that I said is on my membership. That one I got a little bit more of a fluffy wash and go, where this one is a little bit more flat and can grow as the days go on. Okay, if you haven't seen that video, feel free to join my membership. I'd love to have you over there because, again, over there I'm showing some things that I don't show here. But I did want to come on and share with you the Curlshow products as well. And I did the mousse gel combo, which you guys know that I like to do. And this did not disappoint. I was scared, guys, because it was so white. And I was like, is this going to flake? But it did not flake. So I'm pleasantly surprised. Now, my hair is not overly shiny or anything, but that's okay. It just looks like regular hair. So we'll see how it goes. It does have some movement to it. So we'll see how long the moisture lasts. Right now it feels soft and moisturized with some hold, but to be determined basically on how the moisture will last. And so I'll leave a blurb to let you know how long it lasts if I'm not able to come back, okay? Okay guys, wanted to pop in and show you third day hair using the Curlshow gel and mousse, okay? Now, I will say before I got on, I did add a little bit of the Curl Love Moisture Milk to my hair and scrunched it in. It's still trying to soak in a little bit because my hair was, you see this? Very defined, and all of it looked like this in little pieces and just flat. So I did stretch it a little bit with heat to try to break the cast, and yes, it still had a cast on it, and it just looked long and stringy. So like this, if y'all can see that, just long and flat and stringy, right? So it's not fluffing up as much as I thought that it would on its own, so I had to help it. So I went in with a little bit of this, scrunched it in just to try to get it to plump up a little bit and not be so flat and stringy looking. Okay, so with that said, I will say that these two together give you a nice hold. I think it would definitely give someone hold for, you know, 5 to 7 days. Like I said, this is third day hair that has been stretched and moisturized a little bit with some moisture milk. So I moisturized it to get rid of the cast, to give it some moisture since I was putting heat on it. I feel like my hair, before I did that, I felt like my hair was not necessarily dry, but I felt like it was on the verge of dryness, okay, on third day, which I guess isn't, you know, really that bad considering that I don't have anything on my hair but a mousse and a gel. Remember, I did not use a leave-in. So I don't really think that that's bad. I think if you put a leave-in under this, you probably would have more moisture, but I'm not sure if you would have the same amount of hold if you put a leave-in under this, because I didn't use a leave-in and I definitely got hold. I still have a lot of definition, and I definitely could wear this wash and go a few more days, right? But I did want to come on and let you guys see the hair. So if you were looking at Curlshow products and you were just kind of like on the fence and didn't know if you should try them or not, I'd say definitely give them a try. I like this combination together. Again, I did use this with the hair milk. If you want to see that video, you need to join my membership, and you can just hit the join button down below and it'll get you right to it. So yeah, but these two I like for wash and go. I could attest to these two. Would I use these two again? I probably would. I definitely will use these up, but I definitely want to try, you know, different combinations again. When the leave-in comes in, I want to try it, and then I also want to try the mousse and everything for a twist out. Yeah, guys, I don't have a lot more to say. I think the proof is in the pudding. So that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.